welcome to my YouTube channel day 30 how to improve a communication skill with an English vlog. And today is 1 month complete to be consistency upload of the English vlog in a YouTube channel, right? I mean lots of learning in my life, and this my confidence level is this zero, and to how to boost is multiply by 100. Why? Because I believe for my ambition, I believe for myself, and one day I am the perfect for speak in English language. Okay, but reality of the society, everyone person to charge of your positive and negative views. Why? Because society are to randomly person. Okay, any one person not a create for as idol in your life, but you are trying, and you are to create a new idol of your era. So definitely you are to lots of difficulty face and the barrier of the lots of your society hurdle, but you are to chance of 1% to grow of the multiply by 100. Okay, I change of this my perspective, and this my student. So in a YouTube channel as well, in an offline batch, in my coaching center. So that is the difficulty is the first part of your my life. At that time I'm accept for difficulty and I work from the difficulty. How can they remove my life? So life lesson is the first one priority of my situation. Change one day, and one day perfect I speak in English, but my confidence level is the 100 and multiply by 100. Why? Because I proud feel myself. I am a daily consistent in upload a English vlog in a YouTube channel. That is the my inner motivation, not for the outward motivation, for impact for myself. So literally I change one day. I change. Okay, day 30 how to roadmap for my whiteboard. So not more than concept, you just try it, bro. You just try it, bro. Okay, because society are to everyone to as only for not a respect for society in every person. Why? Because society are in this your rat race, and you are to only for lion in your life as a king. You are not as a employee create in your life. You are as a create your empire. So that is the difference between you and the society. But I suggest for you, you try it best of the best. Okay, thank you so much dear to follow my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Why? Because I'm a real life learning lesson provide for in myself. Thank you so much dear, thank you so much dear. I completed my 30 day. I proud feel you watch this video. Thank you so much dear.